Hello YouTube and welcome back. In this short video I will demonstrate some of the features the BMW i4 driving assistant professional function has. I will not say a lot during the video, just read my subtitles and enjoy my driving. My radar is locked on the car in front of me right now, and there is a car approaching from the left, and he is going to cut in between us, which means I lose radar contact with the car in front of me right now, but my radar locks immediately on the incoming car, and it starts reducing the speed to adjust for the new distance. So even this works very well every time. So all I can say now is that I'm very happy to have this function. I wouldn't like to be without it. Even though some of the features, the plus function features, are not available in my car because of the regional differences. Some functions are also changing as you enter another country when you are driving, so things are changing, but I am very happy with it. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and thank you very much for watching. Goodbye, and enjoy your car as much as I enjoy mine.